Similar triangles. Theorem 1, basic proportionality theorems or Thayil theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the sides in the same ratio. This question has come from CBSE in their year 95-96, and this is very important theorem for your CBSE exam. So suppose this is a triangle. This is a triangle ABC. Okay, ABC is the triangle. Okay, given triangle ABC in which PQ is parallel to BC. This is given. Okay, intersecting AB at in P and AC at Q. This is a P point and Q point which is intersecting each other. To prove AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC, you have to prove it. This is this by this is equal to this by this. You have to prove. So construction. So join PC BQ and draw NQ or QN which is perpendicular to AB. So now prove. In triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ by area of triangle PQB. Why we take this triangle? Because if you area of this triangle is your half base into height, and this triangle half base into height, there will be AP and BP is present there. That is why we take APQ and PQB, because the ratio of this triangle give you AP by BP is equal to half base means AP. This is your AP. Okay. And height means this is the height, perpendicular distance is height, always NQ. And in triangle PQB, area is equal to half, base means PB, here base means PB, and height means this is the height, perpendicular distance from this line. Okay, this triangle's height will be NQ. Okay, perpendicular distance. So NQ cancel out, half cancel out, that is AP by PB. Now in triangle, area of triangle APQ by area of triangle PQC is equal to, why we take these two triangles APQ and PQC? Because the ratio of this area give you AP by QC. Here is PQ. If you take this triangle, area of triangle half base into height. If you take this triangle, then area of this triangle will be half base means QC into height is equal to QP and dash. Okay, this is the height of this. This is the height of this both two triangles. The area of this triangle APQ is equal to half, base means AQ, and height means P n dash, and half base into QC. This is your Q point QC into height means P n dash. P and S, P and S, P and S cancel out, that is AQ by QC. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. The two triangle, now these two triangles means APQ, triangle PQB, PQB, this is a B, and triangle PQC, PQC. Both are lying in the same parallel line, that is PQ and BC, and the base of the two triangles are PQ. The base is same and they are lying in the same parallel line. Therefore, triangle PQB, area of triangle, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC, because they are lying in the same parallel line PQ and BC, and same base which is equal to PQ, because they are lying in same base is equal to PQ and same parallel line, because they are lying same parallel. Therefore, two triangles from this equation 1 and 2, two triangles PQB and PQC, here PQB, here PQC, both are equal, then left hand side is equal to equal, then right hand side must be equal. From equation 1 and 2 we can write AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Proved. Here is the equation AQ, triangle APQ by triangle PQB is equal to AP by PQ. Similarly, here equation number 2, APQ by PQC, APQ same, and PQB and PQC both are same. So left hand side equal, therefore right hand side must be equal. Right hand side is equal to AP by BP and AQ by QC. So AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Proved. So very easy. So first you have to draw the triangle ABC, and then this is your parallel line. Okay, take two triangles APQ and PQB, because the here ratio will be AP by PQ, that is why you will take two triangles APQ and PQB. So first area of this triangle ratio, then take these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, because if you take the area of this, then there will be ratio AQ, this is Q point by QC. Okay, so this will give you AQ by QC. In this way you can prove easily, very easy sum. So next sum.